How to log in into ADP Tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into ADP Tax. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any Chrome browser or any browser you have on your device. For example, I will choose Safari. Now in the search bar, type ADP Tax login and search for it. Once you search for it, here you will see different links on your screen. Click on the first link that you see on your screen. And after that, you just need to sign in into ADP using your user ID. And if you are a new user, you can just click on that new user get started option. So once you have your account, you can now easily log in into ADP Tax. Just enter your user ID and that's it. In this simple way, you can log in into ADP Tax. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.